Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat only with girls on Thundr.com. First, open your browser and search for a video chat extension on Google. Once you find it, go to the Chrome Web Store and add the extension to Chrome. After installing it, close all your tabs and head over to Thundr.com. Now, sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, start a chat and click on the video chat extension. Launch the extension and enable the option that skips all men. After that, click on the again the option and you will see that men are automatically skipped. That's it for this video. Now you can enjoy chatting. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.